No, I really struggled to get this angle and like it still looks like this. Not a fan. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I low-key look naked. Today I'm going to be doing another monolid makeup tutorial. Not a tutorial. Actually, I should stop calling it a tutorial because like I don't actually know what I'm doing, but like it's hard, okay? Like you guys just don't even understand. Like it's like really hard, you know? Okay, ready? Beauty guru mode activated. Just kidding. I have like the tiniest bit of makeup on from this morning. What should I do? Oh, it's not my best idea. Okay, that was also one of my bad ideas. I'm just gonna put makeup on top of it because you know what? No one cares. Literally no one cares. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild foundation. I know, finally not using my Maybelline Fit Me. Also, look at this big fat pimple. Like, it's been there for like 2 weeks now. And it's just not going away. So I haven't figured out what kind of look I want to do today. So we're gonna figure that out together. Hopefully a good one. But not counting on it. Because it just looks like I'm like talking to myself. But that's alright. Did y'all see that? Oh my god. Ooh, that was kind of a lot. I'll have to even it out. I just like covered up a part of my lip. I look white now. Don't take my advice on the skin makeup portion though, because like I don't really know what I'm doing right now. Why does it look like that? Okay, I literally don't understand. I put on so much concealer on that pimple and it's still there. I'm gonna take Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. Oh no, it's going everywhere. Now I have powder everywhere. That's fine. Whoa, holy guacamole. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Get them brows on fleek. Okay, I just tried to brush it out with a pencil. Wait. Dumb, am I okay? The eyebrow pencil I'm using is the e.l.f. brow pencil in, I think it's in dark brown, but who knows. Okay, I'll clean her up later, but for now, this will have to do. I'm gonna take a bronzer. I feel like me chewing my gum is like super obnoxious, so I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush, flawless face brush from e.l.f. and my mini Hoola bronzer. Should I contour today? Why not, right? Why not? There's a lot of reasons why not, but we're not going to talk about those reasons. Once I do this, there's no going back. It's definitely not in the right place, but that's fine. Blend her out for a real one. I'm now going to brush the powder off from under my eyes. Okay, that was fucking uncalled for. I'm going to take the banana powder from here just because I don't feel like doing the actual loose powder. And I'm just going to kind of clean up the contour. I want to put blush on. I haven't put blush on in like 50 years. Do I actually have a blush brush? Who must have known? Do I have blush still? I do. This is literally the blush that I broke and I decided to drop it again. Oh, it cracked again. I hate my life. I actually hate my life so much. And the blush on the nose look is kind of cute, so we're gonna do that. I think this pattern has been on my face for long enough, so I'm gonna brush her off. I don't know. Did that make a difference? Hopefully it did. I'm not gonna move on to my eyes, which is really scary because I don't actually know what I'm doing. Should I try and find a look to do? Actually, you know what? I have a look to do because I tried this look before. It went a little bit okay. So I'm gonna do blue on one eye, pink on one eye, and then cut the crease. I'm gonna carve out my eyebrows real quick though. I haven't had a good eyebrow day in a while, and today is not my day. Can we let it slide though? We can let it slide. I don't want to do it. I look naked again. Oh my god. My recent favorite eye primer has been the Morphe eyelid primer in translucent. Dude, I love being a beauty guru. Yeah, so I use just the littlest bit and apply it all over my lid. Okay, obviously like not every monolid eye like is shaped the same way, but since I don't have a crease, what was I saying? I don't remember what I was saying, so we're gonna end that there. Alright! For the pink, I'm gonna do pink on my right eye. I think I'm gonna take Pinkity Drinkity from the James Charles Morphe one just because I like to just pack this on literally all over my lid to like very close to my eyebrow as well. Just so when you do blend out the darker pink, it looks more natural. I just exposed my whole outfit. Look at this. I'm wearing my running shorts from practice today. I just felt like I couldn't wear my PE shirt in this video. So I'm gonna use Skip from James Charles. My eyes are getting dry. Okay, so then I'm just gonna apply this pink all over as well. And I'm also gonna dig into the Zulu by Juvia's Palace, I don't know, and take the pink shade right here. But yeah, basically just put a pink all over and then blend it in with the Pinkity Drinkity. I'm gonna take the darker pink, which is Love That, I think, from James Charles. I pack that on to like closer to my, and then blend it out just to darken out the look a little bit. Water, secured. I'm gonna move on to cutting my crease. Really stressful. I'm gonna take my concealer brush that I used to carve out my eyebrows. Only gonna do a half cut crease on this one. Alright, wish me luck. Alright, so I just cut half my crease, but I'm not done yet because this kind of looks ridiculous. Okay, I definitely could have done that better, but like, too late now, so. Just kidding, I really just revived myself like that. Whoa, legend moves. Alright, and then I'm gonna take a super thin, like, flat brush. Can't believe how much effort I'm putting in. It's not actually green, it's green from the last time I used it. But that's fine. And then I'm gonna take the shade Ring Light and put this where I cut my crease. Here's what I've got so far. The pink isn't blended enough, so we're gonna... Like, I've definitely looked worse, so we're gonna take this as a non-L. I'm really scared because, like, I did kind of okay on one eye, but if I fuck up this eye, I'm gonna be really upset. Alright, let's hope this goes well. I will cry if it doesn't, so... I'm gonna take Playground from James Charles palette. So I'm just doing the same thing with the blue that I did with the pink. Okay, this wouldn't be a video of mine if it didn't go wrong, so... Okay. So, I don't know what is making this look so bad, but like, I'm gonna take a darker shade of blue and put it towards my lash line. I'm honestly like, exhausted. It's been such a long week. My biggest pet peeve has to be when my cut creases are uneven. Okay, this side's a little bit worse, but we can work with it. Alright, so now that that looks really bad, I'm gonna blend it out like I did on the pink side. Kind of tweak it until you get it to look the way you want. Alright, you know what? I'm fucking over it. Here's the look. The cut creases are just not even, and like that's fine because like whatever. Okay, I'm gonna do my highlighter now. Honestly, I'm kind of upset about this cut crease. Whatever. What highlighter should I use? My highlight is popping. The side of my face isn't even damp anymore. I'm upset. I've been craving boba for like 50 days now. Finished with my highlighter. I'm gonna do fake lashes now. This is not gonna go well. Or should I just not do fake lashes? I don't know. Personally, I find it really difficult to do fake lashes. This wasn't much of a tutorial, but it kind of was just cuz, but... Not gonna lie to y'all, I totally forgot I was filming. Okay, I'm gonna do my lips because I'm putting off doing my... what's her name? Fake eyelashes, just because I get really scared and then I mess up. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie Gloss in the shade Euro Trash. I used to be like a big fan of matte lips, but then I realized how crusty they made my lips look. I have to do my fake eyelashes now and I'm really scared. I need my lash glue and some tweezers. Listen, this shit is so hard. I struggle so much putting on fake eyelashes. Freaking difficult, but whatever. I'm gonna title this Monolid Makeup just so my fellow Asians come and join. Alright, if this doesn't go well, I'm gonna be real pissed. Okay, you know what? That fucked up, but we can do it again. Okay, I got her on. Procured. I like didn't breathe while I did that. You know when you curl your eyelashes and your literal fucking eyelashes fall off with them? And it's ruining my eyeshadow, which is super rude. Let's do this, boys. I'm starting to lose patience. I might just give up. I almost threw up. Don't you dare fucking pull off with that fucking eyelash, boy. Oh my god. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm honestly genuinely pissed. I'm just gonna do mascara because none of this even matters anyway. Why do I look like a little crackhead? I don't know, not like completely satisfied with this look. To be truthful with y'all, to be truthful. Whoa, this time I actually almost threw up. This is the pink side. My eyebrows look super bad. And this is the blue side. I honestly like the blue side more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know which kind of videos I should be making more of. Should I make more makeup videos or should I do more vlogs? If you care enough, please comment because I'm desperate. My gloss is kind of popping. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time I post another horrible video like this one. Okay, bye.
And do you wonder it happened so fast? I try my best not to get stuck into the past.